This 2020 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3950BHR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, refrigerator, slide-out, LP detector, oven, smoke detector, TV, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3950BHR is 14,054 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.